Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your address on the Wise application step by step. You don't need any bank account linked, and even if you've never used Wise before, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's start. First, open the Wise app on your phone. Now log in using your email address or phone number. If you are already logged in, you'll directly see the Wise home screen. On the home screen, look at the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon or profile photo. This will open your account settings. In the settings menu, tap on Personal Details. This section contains your name, date of birth, and address information. Now tap on Address. Here, you'll see your current registered address. Tap on Edit or Change Address. Now carefully enter your new address details, including street name, city, state, postal or zip code, country. After entering everything, double-check for spelling mistakes. Once done, tap on Save or Continue. In some cases, Wise may ask for address verification. This can include uploading a document like a utility bill, bank statement, or government ID. This step is optional and may not appear for all users. Once saved, your address will be updated in your Wise account. You can recheck it anytime from Profile to Personal Details to Address. And that's it. You've successfully changed your address on the Wise app. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.